Sheesh. I'm ready. I'm ready for today. Grand Rally. So let's see. I'm hoping to catch gold off this support. Well, I got in gold yesterday. I was gonna swing my positions, but my prop firm doesn't allow me to hold positions over the weekend, so I just decided to close some. If I'm not trying to be in the same trade for today, and also let's see if we can just scalp something for today. Let's see what the market gives us. I am at this area. I am looking to go long. I could get a possible entry at 161 or actually 163, 62 around there. So we'll have to go down to my shorter time frames to see where I can get a more precise entry. For the moment, I also have this area of support on the trend line that price could possibly respect. I want to see how it trades around this area as well. And we are trading near support as well on an area of support on a high time frame. So let's see. There's a good amount of reaction at this level. So I want to be patient. It's Friday. We could see retracement before the market finishes today. So I don't know if there will be a lot of volume too before Fed Chairman Powell speaks. So I want to see how the volume starts to kick in at the moment. This let's also go. Let me see. Why isn't my other chart? Hmm. Nas has just been in a bull run lately. Damn, why is my computer being so slow? There we go. Yeah. I always have trouble deciding where's the middle exactly, but whatever. Um. Whoa. There we go. All right. Also, let's check out Nas on the daily real quick. Nas on the daily, we seem to be trading. If I have this marked here already, it's probably an area of supply at the moment. So let's see if how we react at this level. Lots of heavy reaction at this area. We could either reject or we could either break. Also seems to be breaking previous weekly highs, so we could expect some type of we could see continuation on this bull run for the upcoming week and weeks to come, possibly, or we could also retrace. Um, respect this area. Let's see, for the next couple weeks, we'll be trading around this area. Will be interesting. Um, let's go to 4 hour. Hey, yo, what up, brother? You in any trades at the moment? Nice. Nice. Oh, you got in the go? Did you get in the go buys yesterday? By any chance? I just closed my position today. We hit TP5 on that trade. I was sleeping. Bro, a little bit. I was only in two positions. First position was one lot, and the second position 2.5 lots. And then I added a third position with one lot at like 163 or 65. And then I ended up closing all my positions at 2,700. So, but let's see. Let's see if today we can sacrifice a little bit of profits. I think I'm only gonna sacrifice like 200 bucks today, which is only like less than a percent. So less than half a percent. So I'm gonna be low risk today. Depending on the setup, right? But I was speaking today. Yeah, I mean, at least you finished strong for the week strong, right? Week's not over though, so more days. Monday? What's Monday? Oh, nah, yeah, because I mean, I, oh, 6 hour difference. That's not that bad. Right now it's 8:46 a.m. 46. Where's Oh, right here. I was like, where do you see? I was like, what the fuck? I, I never really paid attention to this clock here. There's a nice. How can I look at it like this? I find it easier for my eyesight to look at one screen and two different tabs, like split screen, this whole screen, than having because the way that look, so the way that my desk is set up is like that. You see, so it's having to look at that screen is and this screen like I'm like having to tilt my head. So like this is much easier. Oh, oh, I just like this. Watch, I'll show you. So making this Mac screen, it's a separate screen, right? I have a Mac, so I can swipe up with four fingers and then I'll connect this or drag this one into here. I don't know. Wait, wait. Let me do it. I actually do it now. So, I don't know how to do it with. I've never done it with. Damn, why isn't it letting me? Is my like pad fucked up? Your computer doesn't let you do it. Well, you have a Mac? No, you have an actual computer. Yeah, that's why I can do it. Well, with like the whole screen itself. I mean, it's pretty cool because I could just open up another tab here. Um, like while having this here. But there's computers that you could do four screens. I don't think my computer is capable of four. Wait, where'd you go to it on TradingView? Oh, but that's your computer. Oh, I thought it was like a TradingView feature. Oh, like this. And right here. It's you go and select layout at the top next to your pair. You see where it says unnamed? Right there, next to the left, click on the there. Yeah. And then you can select split screen on trading view. Yeah. And you could do it like three screens going down. Like you could choose the layout there. Um, yeah, good thing I closed my position earlier today. We're starting to see some retracement. We could retrace on gold up until 150. We could see a retrace possibly 154 area. We also have this minor level of support that we're trading at 161. So I want to see how it respects or breaks that area. A 2 hour time frame, 1 hour time frame as well. It's like a second range that we have up here. So this area right here would be like risk. Like I really think the sells are risky right now. I would until right around here, 153. I think below 150 is safe sells. Pretty certain on that. So I won't be looking to execute the sells anytime soon. Um, I would like to take buys around this level right here. I would like to see a break 157, possibly catch 20, 30 pips on this, hit level of resistance, and let's see how we react at the resistance area. If we can break through it, or if we can trade above it or below it or respect it. So those are a few things I'll be looking for price action at the moment. Um, Trend lines. The only trend lines we have valid on gold. We have this weekly trend line. That's also the support of the channel. that we seem to be touching, and this would be our third touch. So we have multiple touches, making this trend line a bit more valid. The more touches, the better, guys. Remember that. Let's see if we can bounce to the level of resistance on the channel, and possibly in the next coming weeks break new make new highs. But let's see how we trade at this level first. A lot of reaction here, so we want to be careful and patient. If it's a no trade day, it's a no trade day. At least for the stream, I think what 4 to 5 trades have been called this week on this live streams. One trade was a loss. Nasdaq, I think on Tuesday it was that we lost on Nasdaq. What's up? 100% win rate. Sheesh. Damn, bro. Yo, good shit, bro. Good shit. Hey, continue to do what you're doing. Guys, this is why you should join. Anybody on YouTube watching, I should definitely join the Discord. Bunch of great traders on there. 100% win rate for the month, brother. I haven't. I'm not gonna lie to you. I haven't done that in a long. I don't think. I think I've done it once. It was like 1 month that went very well, but I haven't been able to have a 100% win rate for the month. So far this month, I'm at one or two losses, two max. Facts. It's always, bro. It's patience pays, bro. It's what I've always stressed. Patience pays. Like a lot of like getting in. For example, guys, you guys could get in on buys now, right? But it's risky. We could still tap this level of support over here. Just it's better to be patient. Wait for 168. You know. Oh, you gonna take us all out. Everybody in this live stream today is gonna get taken to dinner by D or damn. Are you withdrawing anything this week? Nice, nice. What car are you buying this time? Yeah, I don't normally open links, but I clicked this link. The Lamborghini? Yo, I don't. The right? Am I accepting cookies? No, I don't want to accept cookies. What the fuck? I guess I gotta accept cookies. Wait a minute. Oh, sheesh. Yeah, this shit goes hard. This shit. When are you buying this car? Well, when you buy it, let me. When you're gonna buy it, let me know. Maybe I make a trip and we can. Yeah, this car goes hard, bro. Has 640 horsepower. Look at that ass. Look at that ass. That's the right ass to look at right there. I think this is. I like the interior, the yellow and black. Nice ass iPad. Nah, this shit goes hard. Look at the side skirts. Wait, no, right here. Look at that shit. I like how mean it looks, the Lamborghini. Oh, you're beginning of V10. I like Ferraris, classic. This is definitely a great car. Amon has the Huracan right now. I I think you have his Instagram. I don't know what year his is, and he has I think he has the same one, just yellow. I don't I don't know if his is a different year. Maybe he has the V10. They're going for 250. Bro, I remember when Daniel sold his, he sold his for like a good price. He sold his for like 285, almost 300, and now they're at two. No, I'm saying when he sold his Lamborghini. No, after that he got the R8, and then he switched the R8 for the McLaren 765, 750. Damn, damn. The Turbo S, really? They're discontinued too. They're discontinued too. Damn. I'm a big fan of Porsche. I like the Porsche 911 GT3. Um, that That's one of my favorite cars. Not a fan of the Cayenne. I like the Macan more. I like your Golf R. Your Golf R is pretty dope. That's it. That's pretty good. What year is it? Oh, the every competition line from BMW is pretty badass. Even even the M5, M6. Oh, gold rejecting this trading below the support. Yeah, you could possibly catch a nice amount of. You could at least catch your 40 pips. It'd also be flipping. It'd also be flipping bearish. Does it have a bottom wick? No bottom. Yeah, it does. Not a bad trade if it flips. To be honest with you, you could put a nice stop loss. I like this trade too. You could put a 10 pip stop loss. 10 pip stop loss and have a fucking target TP1 over here. 35 pips and then TP2 60 pips. Not bad. It pays. 1 to 6 trade possibly. Yeah, I've been going to the gym lately and I've been feeling so good. I've been feeling swole. Yeah. I'm like sore right now. I've been sore for the past like 3 days. I've been sore for the past like 3 days, bro. It does. Yeah. Yep. 4 hour looks nice. The cells. The 4 hour just also. The 4 hour opened 10 minutes ago. Should be good. Yeah, I think I'd rather sacrifice 10, 20 pips. It, it should be more pips in profit, bro. Should be like almost 10 pips in profit. If this 4 hour, how is rejecting? This trend line is pretty key. Pretty good, I guess. Nasty trend line is what I'm seeing from up top. Yeah. Did you say up, down, fuck you? Oh, now how many trades have you taken this month? Yeah. Look, boom, we're starting to flip, but then I'm gonna get in now. My area of entry. Yeah, are you gonna hold to my TP? Fuck it. This is my this is my level of entry right here. I haven't entered yet. What I wanted to do, okay, haven't entered yet. Let's see. I'm gonna wait for the 15-minute candle closure. Right, guys. Nothing yet, guys. Haven't answered. Waiting for price still. You know what was it? You know what was it? Yeah, 10 a.m. Fed Chairman Powell speaks. Yeah, 45 minutes. This trade right here, you put let me see how big the stop loss. This is a nice trade too, right here. 20 pip stop. A nice 15 pip stop loss, 20 pip stop loss, and you fucking TP1 would be here at our entry. Oh yeah, you could. Yeah, you got in over here, like 20. You got in here. The 15 minute, we're failing to break previous lows so far on the 15 minute. So far, we're just rangy. We're just rangy. We're at the center right here. Not yet. Okay, I'm in. I'm in. I just got in. Let's see if it's gonna hold that level. Oof. This previous low, I had to break the previous low. Alright, if I lose, I'm losing 0.5%. This trend line is pretty key. We're going against this, but that's why I'm only risking 0.5%. Nasdaq is just there, rangy. All right, stop loss smash. Um, fit in 13 more minutes. Yes. Here, it rejected 4 times in a 30-minute time frame. Twice on the 30. Yeah, but hey, that's why I only risked 0.5%. I wasn't too. I was going against a couple of my confluences, so it could still play out. I'm not saying it's not gonna play out, but if it doesn't play out, I believe it's this trend line right here. Also, we have a level of resistance that we're trading at. Dale, sir. Dale, sir. Uh, damn, now you have that. Now he has that song stuck in my head. I'm trying to funk you up. Finviz. I like using Finviz to see how my pairs are doing. Forex. Sheesh. You know what I haven't looked at today? Shit, mommy. Should be one of the first things I should always be looking at. Hmm. Seeing some retracement on the dollar. We rejected these sales over here. Let's go to daily real quick. Let's check out. Trading in a key area on the dollar. So let's see how we react at this level of resistance where it's currently at. Let's see if we can make it support. Let's move this over here. Move that. All right, let's check out the back to gold. XAU gold. Okay, look at that. Wow. Stop loss hit and then just decided to melt. No, it's still being drawn either way. Let's see, we could possibly catch a NAS trade as well. Some sells on NAS. But for the safer sells, I'm gonna catch them over here. Below 18, below 13.8, 30. So 30 points from now. Alright. Oof, look at gold. Gold on. I want to see how it trades at this level. Let's see. Look at Nas. Nas, let's hope. Nas. I don't want to make the same mistake I made on gold, bro. Yeah, if I were to get a Nas, it'd be something like this. TP1 down here. Let me see how it's looking. Alright, guys, I'm gonna get in on that. Let's give it this trade a shot. Entries 13.85674, guys. You guys can see 13.85674 is my edge. I don't know if you guys can see 13.86574. Let's see. Definitely made back some of the losses from gold. Let's see if TP1 hits. TP1 hit on Nasdaq. Let's see. TP2 would be right there. Shit, back at break even. I'm pretty much at break even, guys, because I held the trade and it didn't close. Let's see. Possibly be lowering my risk if Nasdaq gets to TP1 again. What up, Kay? What up, Kai? Damn. Let's see, a lot of volume kicking in on Nasdaq. Um, Patience on this trade, just patience. Oh, fuck. 15 minutes just opened up like that? Sheesh. Okay, come on. There's a lot of volume on NASDAQ. Lots of volume. Yeah, this is a nice trade though. I'm risking, my risk reward is pretty nice. 1 to 3 trade. Alright, we should have hit TP1 already. Yeah, we're back at TP1. Alright, I think I'm gonna close there. I just closed. I just closed, guys. I just closed, guys. So if you guys were in this trade with me, you guys can close with me, or you guys could stay in this trade. But I made a nice amount of profits here. I lost gold trade. I lost 0.5% on gold, and I made about, yeah, I made 4% on this Nasdaq trade. So I'm up 3.5% for the day. I think it's pretty reasonable to say that I'm done for the day. Let's see here. Look at this. Look at gold. Gold hit our TP1 as well. If we would have been in this trade, of course, right? But stop loss hit on this trade first. I closed with negative 700, negative $660 on this trade. But we made it back with this Nasdaq trade. Nice trade on Nasdaq and gold. Wow. Okay, so this is pretty nice to see how gold is trying to break out of this trend line. Um, Also, what I'm seeing here, look at this. We have a nice retracement here. So we had a break and retest. And then we saw a breakout of that range. We could expect gold to hit that TP1 area that we had originally targeted, that one, let me see. Uh, yeah, which one is it? I think I have to go in. There we go. It takes a while to get it. A little bit. W, Fax K. Did you get in this trade with me, bro? I hope you got in this trade with me, doggy. The 1-to-1 on gold would have hit for anybody who still held this trade without me. But wow, it happens, guys. It's part of the game. Good thing we managed our risk properly. Yes, sir. You got in that shit. Let's go. I love, bro. There's no better feeling than winning a trade and knowing like some of you guys at least like one other person took it, just cause like it's a fucking free trade. Um, we've been here for like about, let's see, 55 minutes. We fucking made it happen. Oh shit, my bad, Kai. I didn't. I've been seeing your messages on Zoom. Thank you for putting them to the YouTube and supporting me there as well. Cruz of Jules. Why? What's up, brother? It's kind of weird when I don't know you and you're asking if I stay in Florida. Yep, in and out, in and out. That's how we do. Stop loss hit on this one. We held our composure. We didn't get emotional. I told you guys risk 0.5%. So if you guys risk 0.5% with me, it wouldn't have been a big loss. Um, and even if you did hold to stop loss, and you held that stop loss, it would have only been a stop loss by less than a pip or two more. So you could have easily held this trade and cashed that 1 to 1. I do think gold could have the potential with this volume that it has at the moment to reach the target area number two, which would be right around here. And Nasdaq doesn't want to, break previous highs as well. We did respect this trend line over here at the top, so we could see Nasdaq hit that TP2 trade as well. But our TP1 for Nasdaq was a 1 to 2 trade, so it was pretty nice to see this. We were risking only 75 pips, and we were taking in 157 pips. Nice trade on Nasdaq. It wasn't what we normally catch, TP1 400 pips, 250 pips, but it was a nice 1 to 2 trade. Um, Look at gold. Gold hit that TP2 area. Like I said again, my stop loss hit on gold. That's why I have this here. Stop loss hit, but it's nice to see that our analysis was right. So for next time, I guess you know what's crazy? You know what I just noticed? On gold, my entry. Let me see something real quick. 166.4 was my entry on gold. At 160. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Perfect. So I'm not tripping. 640. I'll show you why I thought I was tripping. Because my stop loss was 10 pips. And the way I had my trading view entry showed that it was at 9 pips, my stop loss. And I went based off my trading view chart. So when I saw price like got to that, well, I actually closed based off my like actual 10 pip stop loss. But like it was tripping out. I was like, did I close below stop loss? No way. I was about to like, claim that the L. But damn, nice trade on Nasdaq. 4% on this trade. That shit was really good. And the nicer entry would have been up here at the top, right around here with this wick. When we failed to break those lows, we could have gotten in, or right here at the flip of the wick, coming down with some volume. But we had a nice stop loss too. 7.5 points was our stop loss. And with this I'm not gonna lie. Let's check out the 5 minute time frame. That volume that we had was a good amount of bro. You just missed it, bro. You you caught Nasdaq. You caught it. Oh, bro, we caught a Nasdaq trade, and then the gold trade ended up hitting our TP2. Oh, fire, bro! So you got in again. This guy. Of course, K. Nice, nice, bro. Where are you holding to? 19. Bro, look at this. Let me make a quick phone call, guys, because I was supposed to go check out some property. Yeah, I got in. I made 4% off of it. I lost 0.5% here, and I made 4% here. ¿Qué te dijo Oscar? Okay. Yeah. Ciao. Bro, so yesterday, sheesh. Yo, today's been a great day, bro. Today has been a great day since. So anybody who has taken my trades from yesterday to today should have made at least on 100K, risking what I risk, 6%, easy. So this is a fucking great day to fucking end. And guess what, guys? We don't have to fucking worry about what Powell has to say. It would be nice to see what he has to say for the upcoming week. So now, yeah, but he knows he can't say that. He can't say that because if he says that, then he creates panic. Do you understand that? The man has to literally think about what he's going to say because the next word he says could potentially cause a U.S. crisis. It could cause a war. It can cause panic. It can cause um, a bullish run. It can cause positive, reactions. The guy speaks very carefully. Um, it's crazy. I'm actually like I'm intrigued by how he speaks because to have that type of pressure that the U.S. relies on what you say, like both like people and politicians, whoever it is, and whatever the man says is crazy, like news and anything. So that's why it's important. I like to listen to what he has to say, and I'm also prepared in the markets. It helps me keep a fundamental understanding on what's going on with the dollar, and the dollar is one of the my confluences for gold. So if I know what the DXY is doing, I have a greater chance of winning with gold than knowing what gold's going to do. Um, so it's pretty good to look into that, guys. Yeah, Nas, we literally got out at the right time. What, like crazy. And honestly, I'm only like happy with this Nas trade because I caught 4% on it. But I'm more satisfied with this gold trade. Although it hit my stop loss, I know that my analysis played out. My analysis played out here too, but I was kind of late on this one, and I only made 4% because I had to up the lots a little bit there. So, but this gold trade is playing out to T. If I would have put a 15 pip stop loss, I would have hit TPs a while ago. But look at this. This hit TP2. Nice trade. TP3 is right around here, guys. This is a nice break and retest trade. What was I gonna do? What was I gonna do? All right, brother. Thank you, G. Have a good meal. What's up, doggy? How are you, brother? Yeah. Were you on here today? Did Did you catch both trades? Oh shit. Yeah, bro. It's the only way. It's like I always say, bro. I can't stress it enough, bro. Learn to handle your emotions. Like, don't involve your emotions with trading. Like, they don't go together. They're opposites. Like they just never bad mix. And be patient, bro. Like, markets are gonna give you different opportunities throughout the time it's open. So if we miss a trade here, we can catch a trade here. If waiting on looking at all time frames, so we're not hit by anything that catches us off guard. Um, But yeah, it's just patience, bro. Patience with a Y. How's your studying going, bro? Do you feel ready soon? Like how's your mentality with like learning, trading, and all that? Fire, fire. Yeah, but there's no better way. There's no better. Demo is good and all. It's good. Like you have to start somewhere. It's good when you're testing out your strategies, like any new strategies. It's pretty good. But like to learn from the markets, bro, there's no better way than trying like with real money. And challenges are like I believe they're good ways. Because in forex you do need. I do believe you need a lot of capital to trade. With like live accounts and prop firms are like the easiest way to like get that capital. And it'll also teach you, bro, like, with $100 you can have a 10K account. And if you can manage 10K, then you can manage 100K. So it's just it's just how the game goes. Bro, look, the markets aren't gonna go anywhere. Like, what's the real reason you want 100K? Like, now, if you can afford it, like 10 times without it affecting you, like, sure, by any means, like, go for it. But the truth of reality is, like, would you rather learn through losing only $100 or losing five, $600? And then it starts to add up. Like, I'm hoping you pass the challenge and you get funded, right? But the harsh reality of trading is, I'm not gonna just sugarcoat it for you tampoco, bro. Like, the harsh reality of trading is most traders fail these challenges, and it takes them quite a few amount of tries. So it's better, I think, for any new trader coming in trading, I think it's really best to like really understand the value of money and like the fundamentals behind it, and try to like actually like flip your account and like compound it. Like, so turn 1,000 to 2,000 and then compound that to 4,000. Like try to like with that. All you need is one payout with that 10K account, and you get your $100 back, and then you could possibly just go and buy a 20K account, and then you start like scaling up your portfolio. And then eventually, by the time, if you can manage a 10K account and you're getting 10% consistently, bro, by any means, like go for the 100K if you feel like you're ready. But it's like a marathon, right? Like for example, right now I'm training for a 15K mutter. And the way that I'm training is just it's the same way that I trade pretty much, I'm starting off first. I gotta train for like to be able to run a mile consistently, find my pace, find my tempo, like my momentum, how I can like pace myself. Then eventually run 2 miles consistently, 3 miles. Like if I can't do a 5K first, well, I won't be able to do a 10K. And if I can't do a 10K, I won't be able to do a 15K. So just preparing yourself for that 15K run. Just same way in trading, you're preparing yourself for 10K trading to trade 10K. Have you ever traded 10K ever? Then you get me, like how are you going to be able to like how are you going to expect to trade 100K when you've never traded 10K? And then when you start to lose money and make money, you'll also study yourself, and you'll study how you react, which is key in trading. I don't think a lot of people take the time to study themselves as well. They're too busy studying the markets. But if you can't study yourself, you won't know how you react, how to like be emotionless, how to handle your how to handle your emotions. You won't know how you lose. You know how you win, but do you know how you lose? And if you don't know how to lose, you won't know how to win. So learning how to lose as well by managing risk, not getting emotional, not over trading, not revenge trading. Um, those are things that I think will help you through any size account. So what better way to start small and then go big? Because you don't want a lot of traders suffer from burnout, bro, and I wouldn't want that case to be with you. Like a lot of traders, they put a lot of money in. They start off with 100K accounts because they want to change their lives immediately. And what happens is eventually over time, you spend 5 accounts. That's like 2,500 bucks that you've spent, and then next thing you know, like you don't have the money again to buy. I'm not saying it's with you, but like in some cases, they won't have the money to spend for another 100K account, so they stop trading. And you never want to stop trading. That's another reason why I always suggest to everybody to go small, because I think 100 bucks is something that a lot of people, at least in the United States, can afford to lose and still be okay with it consistently. With like maybe once a week, it's only 400 bucks a month. So you can afford to lose it more often than what you could with a 100K account. Get me? Uh, but yeah, bro. If anything, but if you got the money for it, bro, and you feel confident, you could also try it so you can see how it feels. Trade 100K. It's the way I see it, bro. I see it like trading, bro. If I have $1,000 to trade, and I can either you split into I could either go all in first, right? I could either split it into two, 500, 500. I could either split it to four, 250, 250, 250, 250. I could even split it into um, fuck it, five, 200, 200, 200, right? Or I could do even 10 trades, 100 each, you know? And if I know that I can win a hundred, like 10 times, then I'm fucking more consistent as a trader versus the one trader who goes all in the first time, loses it 2 times, wins it once, and then he loses it again, and then he's not the profitable trader. You want to try to be profitable, and you want to like lower your risk, calculate your risk. You want to have more trades with your capital than less trades, right? Now, if you're up in profits, then of course you can risk profits and then compound it, like risk a quarter of your profits to win a whole percent of your profits, which is a different story. Look at Nasdaq just shot up and came back down, and gold's literally just rejected that TP3 area and just shot back up. But remember, guys, stop loss hit on gold, and Nasdaq smashed. Yeah, it's cheap, bro, super cheap. And then, bro, I wish I would have done that when I first started trading too. Like, when I first started trading, bro, I was working like for a startup company, so I was getting paid like minimum wage. I was paying getting paid, but like the owner of the startup was not even getting paid, and I would get paid 400 bucks a week. This was before COVID, 2 years 2 years before COVID, and 400 bucks a week. One week I would put the whole all in to trading, and I would lose it. And then it would get to a point where like I would buy accounts, and then I wouldn't be able to trade for like a month, just because I was trying to like get some money in my pocket and save money for account. And then I would catch myself like those moments where I wouldn't trade. I would catch myself getting distracted and like not focusing, not putting the time towards trading, um, not being sharp, not being smart. So when I would come back to trading, I would feel lost, and I would feel like I'm like off, like what's wrong with my trading? And it's like, why don't I get it? Like why am I not winning? And then I would lose again, and I would get desperate and start like fucking, like taking everybody's trades. And next thing you know, it wouldn't work out because I'm trading from him, and I'm even trusting my own trades, which I didn't even know why I was trusting my own trades because I was just losing. But that's why I just don't want people to make the same mistake I made, because you don't have to. Yeah, bro. It's and it's okay. It's okay. Like it happens. It's okay to go through that, and it's just what makes us who we are. Like eventually, one day, when you've put in the time and the years, like you'll be a great trader. Because everybody has the potential to be a great trader, but not everybody is willing to put in the same time, or like the energy, or like I've been here every day for the past couple weeks, Monday through Friday, 8:30, 11:30. Like this is my hours of operation. Like this is my business. um, just taking it serious. And I think that's why I do really good at it. But bro, if I went broke too, like at some point in trading when I first started off. Like I fucking quit my job because I thought trading was gonna be it, and I was full time. And eventually, what happened was like after a month or no, after 2 months, I went broke. Like I had nothing. Like I was like all in, and trading didn't work out. And I was like, fuck. And I had asked friends for loans, and like like I had like one of my best friends. He was like, "Bro, I'm not gonna give you the money because if I give it to you, it's gonna affect you even more." And I was like, "Damn, bro. I guess you're right." And that was like the wake up call. The next day, I went and got a job, and then I found a job that I could like that would allow me to trade or like study for like trading while I work. So I got a front desk job as a night auditor, and I would work the night shifts, and I would be on London live streams and just learning and taking notes, trading while working, and then I did that for a while, and then after that, when I like understood what money was, and then I just studied myself and everything, that's when I started trading again, like with money. And then, but yeah, bro, those times, I think back, I reflect on those times sometimes, and it's like, and I'm happy, bro, from like where I came from. It's pretty nice to relate to that to other traders that have had the same experience. But let me know when you buy that shit, bro. So you could hop on over here, and if you have any questions, um, I'll answer them. I'll even like set up a Zoom call with you if you want some time, and just so you can just make sure that you're prepared and everything, so you have the confidence fully there. Powell speaks in 2 minutes. Let's see if we can. Be curious. Oh, it's a funded trader. You're using 64 bucks because of 50% off, right? Yeah, I saw that. I just don't know. I guess you'll be the one. You're gonna pass that account. And you're gonna tell me if they're legit. All right. I need you to pass it. No pressure. But damn, I Fed. Am I tripping, guys? Did in anybody who was on YouTube? If am I tripping? I'm just gonna rewind on YouTube. Did it say 10 a.m. at first, or was it always 11 a.m.? Because now it's saying that Fed Chairman Powell speaks at 11. I don't recall that. Stop loss hit on gold, but TP smashed on Nas. Lost about 0.5% on gold and made 4% on Nasdaq. So great day today. Um, damn, I'm chipping out. I think. There's no way. Gotta wait an extra hour for him to speak. I'm trying. It's pretty good. I guess Fed Chairman Powell was always speaking at 11. I'm just tripping. I don't know why I said 10, guys. What up, Robbie? Haven't heard from you in a while. I hit stop loss and break even on gold this morning, playing with my feelings. Said it was at 11 since yesterday. Wait, so I'm not tripping? I always said it was 11? Oh, wait, I am tripping because I was saying he spoke at 10 and it's been saying 11 since yesterday. Yeah, I figured. I read wrong. I don't know how I mixed the 0 and the 1. Um, Look at Nasdaq. Nasdaq hit TP1, then we came up and hit the stop loss, and then we came back down and hit TP2. Good thing I secured profits at TP1. Well, 1 to 4 trade on Nasdaq. For those that held throughout that drawdown, which I would not have, leaving mine at TP1. All right, guys, I'm gonna call it a stream here. I'm done trading for today, so I will not be sending any trades on the Discord either. Um, I will be seeing what Fed Chairman Powell has to speak, and I will be also sending on the Discord a breakdown of a couple breakdown videos. Possibly be doing a breakdown video on what happened this week with gold and the markets. I'll see if I do a separate video with gold and Nasdaq or mix them together. I'll also be giving a weekly breakdown of what could be going on next week. We'll be doing a video as well on Fed Chairman Powell for those that want to know more on what he has to say and don't understand what he's saying, because that information could be a bit confusing to understand at first to any new fundamental traders. Um, I'm not a fundamental trader, by the way, guys. I'm straight technical. I just like to understand the fundamentals of what's going on with the U.S. economy since I trade U.S. based pairs. I think it's important for me to know that, and I live in the U.S., so it's important for me to know what's going on day to day here in where I live. Um, Also, be sending a breakdown on my trades and how I made 4% on this trade and how I lost 0.5% and how I handle my emotions on both these trades. So stay tuned on the YouTube, guys, for anybody who's new to the channel. And thank you everybody who pulled up to the Zoom. Raise, nice seeing you, Kay. Nice seeing you, Juan. And YouTube, thank you for all the likes and subscribers. Peace out, guys. Have a happy Friday and a great weekend. Of course, likewise, bro. Peace out. Peace out, YouTube. Have a great day and a great weekend.